Did you know that trees can actually talk? In the dense forests of Africa, the whistling thorn acacia tree has a unique way of communicating. When giraffes munch on its leaves, the tree releases a chemical that warns nearby trees of the danger. These trees then produce a bitter taste to deter the giraffes. It's like a secret tree language. This fascinating defense mechanism shows how interconnected nature truly is. So next time you walk by a tree, remember, it might just be whispering secrets. Like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing nature stories.